If you are someone who is building iOS application and you want to build something where your user can save any particular data as favorite or just save any data on particular icon click, then this video will help you to understand how you can do it in SwiftUI. So let's get into the video. So right now I have this particular code which you can see, in which I am making in database like it is favorite, yes or no, so true or false. So I'm making this particular changes, and how to do that, so I will explain you via an UI, like how I am doing in iOS application. Then I can explain you directly the code implementation. So again, I will use my iPhone mirroring, and if you say this, my camera will go off. So yeah, that we have to do for showing me you the UI. And you can say this is the application which I have opened right now, and if I go to the discover, here in the list you get all the list, and if you see the favorite list right now I have only 3 favorites, which is again true here. 1 2 and 3 favorites. And if you go to the quote of the day, this is also my favorite. Now if I press this one, it should delete it from the database, which you can see it has deleted. Now if I go here again in the list, and if I maybe volume creates lux, the more you do, okay, if you see this particular code, if I do volume creates luck, the more you do, the luckier you get. So if I start this particular thing, so it will go into the favorites. So you can see if I reload this database also, this is right now reloading. So once it is, you can see volume creates luck, the more you do, the better you get. So again, it is again favorite, yes, true. So this is how you actually fetch everything, and this is how it works. And if I close this application and if I directly go into the code implementation, you will get the understanding. So that was under discover. So that was actually API codes view. So this is it. So let me just go to the show editor only, and here we were actually calling, you can see we are selecting the category. If it is the code of the day, we do scroll view, then v stack. And again, if it is not scroll code of the day, if it is else, so we are doing the API service and loading. And here you can see we are listing all code row view. So let me just go to this particular view, and you can see how we are doing the favorite one. So again, you will find the favorite button, that is this particular button. So for this, we actually allotting one task, that is toggle favorite. So what this toggle favorite, it does adding something to the database, and if it is already added, it deletes it. So it checks. So if checks if it is existing code. If it is already existing code, like it is checking remove favorite, and this is how it done. And if it is not already favorited, so it checks directly to the database. So it pushes it to database. So find existing code and it updates it. And if it is already existing code, like remove favorite code. So this is how it actually works, and that is what I'm loading directly into my API. So this sync service which I've created earlier in my previous videos, where I am actually so let me just go directly there. So we were at code review, and for this particular task, if favorite toggle favorite, so you can see sync service remove favorite code, right? So this particular remove favorite code, if I go here, I've created this one earlier, like this delete code earlier. So we are just passing that particular code. So if I go to the delete code, I'm checking whether that user is authenticated or not. So this is again using Supabase. Delete the model locally first, then delete from Supabase, and this is how it deletes from code delete equal like the code ID, and then we execute it. So this is how it works, and similar to that, we are adding directly into the database again using the same toggle button. And this is how it actually works, and this is what I want to talk about in this particular video. And in the next video, where I will talk about more implementation of this particular application. So till then, stay tuned and take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.